Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use coordinate tolerance command in Gd&T. So let's see what are the coordinate tolerance and how to easily use in Gd&T. We want to create new sketch. We want to create new sketch interface. At first open SOLIDWORKS software. Today Gd&T lecture 3 is discussed here. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Now we will see a new sketch. Create a sketch. At first select up. At first coordinate system, coordinate tolerance and Gd&T, geometrical dimensioning and tolerance. You can see here all command pop up. Then okay, this is a dimensioning and tolerancing. This is a primary and secondary. This point is a primary and secondary tolerance, and this concentricity, this symbol is concentricity, and this is a maximum material condition, and this point is a dimensioning tolerance. This point is a coordinate tolerance. Okay, at first okay, this is a SolidWorks interface, and at first geometrical, okay, this concentricity, and this is a 0.02. okay, this maximum material condition, and primary A, secondary B. okay, this point is a not so. Okay, again, okay, this point so the at first click align. Okay, and this symbol is a concentricity, and this point 0.02 maximum material condition, and tolerancing A, primary A, secondary B. okay, and this is a font change. Okay, this font is 6 bold. Okay, and this is a dimensioning change. This is a bilateral, and first is and second is also say here, then click here. Okay, at first what is the tolerance value? Tolerance value is a maximum tolerance minus minimum tolerance. At first 9.9 plus 0.01 equal to 9.01, or 9 minus 0.01 equal to 8.99. This is a value, maximum value 9.01 minimum minus minimum value 8.99 equal to 0.02. This is the 0.02 is a tolerance value. Okay, there are various new sketch. You can see here how this works. We will see here And okay, okay, next lecture 4 is coming soon. Get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.